Ang ginagawa nila ngayon ay striking defense with application.
4, 5,
Ito si Marlon Norte, promoted ng Lacan.
8, 9, 10. Hindi ka nagpapari. Down. 1,
Jeremiah Janda, promoted ng Yellow Belt.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Striking defense with
8,
half strike ang ginagawa nila.
9, 10, 11, 3, 1,
Ito naman, Joan Cunha, promoted ng Brown Belt.
4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back strike. Cross music. Okay. Ready?
Ito new member, Gyros.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up mo na, 9, 10, 11, yun. Na!